Strap on your helmet and buckle up your boots. We're about to dive into the advanced riding tips that only the smartest motorcyclists use. In the next few minutes, you'll learn the riding strategies and safety secrets that turn everyday riders into survival experts. From deadly intersection hazards to pro-level cornering and gear, each rule here has real crash avoidance power. Only a fool takes chances on a bike. Smart riders take no chances. Number 1. Always assume others can't see you at intersections. Intersections are where even skilled riders get caught off guard. Studies show nearly half of multi-vehicle fatal crashes involving motorcycles happen when a car turns left into the path of a straight-moving bike. The MSF bluntly warns that cars that turn left in front of you are the biggest dangers. Over 50% of bike car collisions occur when a driver violates a motorcyclist's right-of-way. Smart riders cover their clutch and both brakes in traffic, especially at intersections, so they can react instantly if a car pulls out. Never count on eye contact. Assume a car will pull out. Scan cross streets early, slow for yellow lights, and be ready to stop for any left-turning vehicles. Number 2. Gear up with full body protection. The smartest riders treat armor like a sixth sense. It's not just helmet or nothing. Jackets, pants, gloves, and boots all save you in a crash. Research confirms it. Helmets alone reduce a rider's fatality risk by about 40%, and riders wearing only novelty helmets had double the brain injury rate of those in a proper full-face helmet. Similarly, motorcycle jackets, boots, and gloves are no joke. They dramatically improve post-crash outcomes. And don't forget visibility gear. Bright or reflective jackets and helmets make you stand out. The MSF notes that brightly colored helmets can also help others see you. Any bright color is better than drab or dark colors. Reflective, bright-colored clothing is best. In practice, this means wearing high-vis and reflective gear day or night. The road is unforgiving. Protect every inch of yourself with the best certified gear you own. Number 3. Master your brakes. Most riders underestimate just how much stopping power their motorcycle truly has, and that's a dangerous mistake. Your bike has 2 brakes for a reason, and using both together is essential for safe, efficient stopping. According to the MSF, improper braking remains a significant contributing factor in many motorcycle crashes. Always use both brakes every time you slow or stop. The front brake is more powerful and can provide 70% or more of your total stopping power. The key is coordination. Smoothly squeeze the front brake lever while pressing the rear pedal at the same time. Avoid grabbing or jabbing. Either control finesse is what keeps the tires gripping. In emergencies, apply firm, progressive pressure while keeping the bike upright. Riders with ABS should use it confidently. It prevents wheel lockups and maintains steering control. Regularly practice threshold braking so you can stop hard and straight without panic, giving yourself the best chance to avoid a crash. Number 4. Maintain a cushion of space. Smart riders never tailgate. Keep at least a 2-second following distance so you have time to react. The MSF calls this a cushion of space around your motorcycle. A clear gap in front of you means if someone else makes a mistake, you will have more time to respond and more space to maneuver. That also means a passing vehicle can't squeeze in front without you noticing. If you ride in a group, the same principle applies. Staggered formation lets each rider see hazards and brake in time. Use the 2-second rule even on city streets. Pick a roadside object, start counting as the vehicle ahead passes it, and make sure you say 1001, 1002 before you pass that spot. If not, back off. And when someone is tailgating you, open up even more space to avoid sudden panic braking. In tight traffic, try to position yourself in a lane spot that maximizes visibility to others. Number 5. Perfect your cornering technique. When you hit a curve, think of a smooth, not reckless ride like a racer, but with control. The secret is to lean with the bike, not against it, and always keep your eyes fixed on the exit of the turn. Your knees should hug the tank firmly for balance, and your head should turn to follow the curve almost like you're tracing the line with your vision. The MSF advises, keep your knees against the gas tank to help maintain balance as the motorcycle turns. This body alignment keeps your movement synchronized with the bike's natural lean. Always brake before the corner, not during it, then roll on the throttle smoothly through the apex to maintain traction. Avoid sudden bar movements or mid-turn braking that can easily upset your tire's grip. With steady throttle control and eyes up, the bike will follow your chosen path gracefully, keeping you stable and confident through every curve. Number 6, lights on in bright colors. Even after gearing up, you want drivers to notice you. A motorcycle is small and can easily hide in a car's blind spot. Make visibility your rule. Keeping your headlight on at all times doing so makes you roughly twice as likely to be seen. High beams or daytime running lights are legal in many places. Use them. Also use reflective tape or a high-vis vest, especially at night. As noted above, bright helmets and jackets help. Brightly colored helmets can also help others see you. Reflective, bright-colored clothing is best. Don't ride at dusk or dawn in dark clothing. Likewise, always signal your intentions well in advance. Use turn signals, brake lights, and even your horn or flash your brakes if someone isn't paying attention. If you change lanes, look over your shoulder into the mirror's blind spot. In heavy traffic, choose a lane position where oncoming car headlights will catch your reflective patches. Number 7, scan ahead and stay sharp. The smartest riders use soft eyes, staying relaxed, observant, and always planning ahead. Instead of staring at the wheel in front of you, follow the MSF's SE strategy. Search, evaluate, execute. Constantly scan 10 to 12 seconds ahead for intersections, driveways, or potential hazards. A simple trick is to pick a roadside marker, like a sign or pole, and note how long it takes the vehicle ahead to reach it. That's your following distance. Keep escape routes in mind at all times. If danger appears, can you brake, swerve left, or move right safely? The MSF advises, search your path of travel 12 seconds ahead, identify and separate hazards, and be prepared to act. This isn't paranoia, it's survival. Because motorcycles offer no protective shell, anticipation is your armor. Don't ride tired, distracted, or under the influence. Staying alert, calm, and strategic turns reaction into prevention and keeps you alive. Number 8. Respect your bike's weight and balance. Large motorcycles or fully loaded setups change how your bike behaves in every way: braking, acceleration, and cornering. The MSF warns that a fully loaded motorcycle will perform differently than you are used to. Braking will also feel different, and stopping distances may increase. Added weight from saddlebags, passengers, or luggage increases momentum, meaning you'll need to brake sooner and more smoothly. Always check and adjust tire pressure and suspension for the extra load. While cornering, use gradual throttle and avoid sudden steering or braking inputs, as heavy setups respond more slowly and can lose balance easily. If carrying a passenger, make sure they know to lean with you, stay still during stops, and hold securely. Never overload beyond the manufacturer's limits or place too much weight high or to one side. Take a short test ride after loading up. Smart riders always feel out their bike's handling before hitting the road. Number 9, ride courteously. The final rule centers on respect, awareness, and teamwork values that can literally save lives on the road. Always communicate your actions clearly using turn signals, brake lights, and proper lane positioning. When riding in a group, hand signals are essential so everyone stays coordinated. Avoid weaving through traffic or changing lanes without signaling. Unpredictability causes confusion and accidents. If you need to pass another rider or vehicle, give a quick wave or flash your headlights first. Follow group etiquette strictly. No racing, no passing within the group, and no tailgating. Maintain a staggered formation. The lead rider in the left third of the lane, the next rider 1 second back in the right third, and so on. Never ride side by side, since you'll have no room to react to hazards. Keep the group tight, slow for anyone who falls behind, and always show courtesy. Good manners equal safe riding.